kamini bodol fainai rong chung lam sogo chini loge bodol lukho kamini fainai rong chung lam sogo।
आज हम लोग मोनू बाजार में फिर से हम लोग तिप्रामोथा का फ्लैग लगा रहा है और आज हमारा साथ 32 फैमिली का 110 वोटर्स ऑफ लुखोपारा they are joined with us today and we welcomed them in our Tipra organization, and 4 leaders of them are join us with today at Tipramotha, and total 110 voters of 32 families with them, and our block president Honorable Harendra Riang, and our another block president Parampodo Umra Singh and KK Jamatia, and we all welcome them in our organization. And this type of joining program will continue tomorrow and next day also in various places of Santir Bazar and various places of Gomoti district and South district. Thank you, Hambai.